will discuss June 2024 Shift-2 Political Science question paper. Question number 51. 42nd Constitutional Amendment Act was passed in India in option C is correct 1976. Question number 52. Who stated Sri Aurobindo has appropriated Hegel's notion of an absolute spirit and employed it to radically restructure the archetyponic framework of the ancient Hindu Vedanta system in the contemporary terms? Option B is correct, Steve Warden. Question number 53. Who set up the Bahishkrit Hitkarni Sabha in 1924? Option C is correct, B.R. Ambedkar. Now question number 54. Arrange the following political parties as per their year of formation in the chronological order. Option C is correct, Dravid Munitra Kajagam, then the Telugu Desam Party, then Assam Gana Parishad, All India Trinamool Congress, and last is the Janata Dal. Now question number 55. Democratic Party of United States was established in option C is correct 1828. Now question number 56. Match list 1 with list 2 and choose the correct option from the code given below. Option A is correct here. Convention relating to the status of refugee is in 1954. Declaration on torture is in 1975. Convention on the Right of the Child is in 1990. And Charter of Fundamental Rights of the European Union is in 2000. Now question number 57. Choose the correct sequence regarding the elite theory. Option B is correct here. A, B and D only. That is, Robert Dahl advocated the concept of polyarchal democracy. John Plemtes argued that if the will of the people is a myth, then will of the majority also belongs to the same category. And Robert Michel advocated the idea of iron law of oligarchy. Question number 58. Arrange the following Indian constitutional amendments in the chronological order and choose the correct option from the code given below. Option D is correct here. A, C, B, D and E. That is, amendment in the preamble and the addition of the unity and integrity of the nation. Then Konkani added as a language in the 8th schedule of the Indian Constitution. Then Maithili added as the language in the 8th schedule of the Indian Constitution. Then the Cooperative Society inserted as Article 243ZH, and then last the Women Reservation Act. Now question number 59. Arrange the following designated SARC years in the chronological order. Option C is correct here. B, SARC year of girl child, then the SARC year of environment, then SARC year of disabled person, then SARC year of the youth, and last is the SARC year of the poverty addiction. Question number 60. Arrange the following treaties and agreements in the chronological order. Option B is correct here. First is India and Pakistan signed the Indus Water Treaty. Then India and Pakistan signed the Tashkent Agreement. Then India and Pakistan signed the Shimla Agreement. Then India and Bangladesh signed the Farakka Treaty for sharing the water of Ganga. And last is the Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee undertook the bus journey to the Lahore and signed the declaration. Now question number 61. Consider the following statement regarding the judicial system and choose the correct option from the code given below. Option C is correct here. A, B and D only. That is, Supreme Court of Canada has 3 judges from the province of Quebec to ensure ethnic and religious balance. Some judges of the Federal Constitutional Court of Germany are elected by the Bundestag and the Bundesrat. And last is the US Constitution of 1787 did not explicitly provide the judicial review. Now question number 62. Match list 1 with list 2 and choose the correct option from the code given below. Option A is correct here, that Madras has 49 seats. Then Bombay has 21 seats. Then West Bengal has 19 seats and United Province has 55 seats. Now question number 63. Identify the correct statements. Option C is correct here. That is A, B and D. A consensus on poverty education was adopted at the 7th SARC Summit. Mazzini wrote the book on nationality, and Georgian Habermas is the leading exponent of the second generation of the Frankfurt School. Question number 64. Match list 1 with list 2 and choose the correct option from the code given below. Option D is correct here. David Apter write The Politics of Modernization. Walter Bagehot write about the English Constitution. Jean Blondel write about an introduction to the comparative government. And Armand Powell write about the comparative politics, a developmental approach. Now question number 65. Match list 1 with list 2 and choose the correct option from the code given below. Option D is correct here. Tagwili appointed the Secretary General in 1946. Kofi Annan appointed the Secretary General in 1997. UN peacekeepers sent to Cyprus in 1964, and UN High Commissioner for Refugees established in 1950. Now, question number 66. Under which article of the Indian Constitution formation of the Finance Commission is laid? Option C is correct, Article 280. Question number 67. Choose the correct statement regarding the political theorist. Choose the correct option from the code. Option D is correct here. A, B, and D only. That Mary Wollstonecraft emphasized the equal right for women. Hannah Arendt examined the nature of both Nazism and Stalinism in the origin of totalitarianism, and the French Fanons write about the book Black Skin and White Mask. Question number 68. Identify the incorrect statement from the code given below. Option C is correct here. B, C, and D. That Deen Dayal Upadhyay opposed the idea of integral humanism. Federalism was borrowed by the framers of the Indian Constitution from the British Constitution, and Panchayati Raj system is provided India 45% reservation for the women. Question number 69. Who gave the notion of radical humanism? Option D is correct here. M. N. Roy. Question number 70. Match list 1 with list 2 and choose the correct option from the code given below. Match list 1 with list 2 and choose the correct option from the code given below. Option D is correct here. A theory of justice given by John Rawls. Philosophy of right given by Hegel. Towards a rational society given by Habermas. And state and revolution given by Lenin. Question number 71. Who was the first chief election commissioner of India? Option C is correct. Sukumar Sen. In which year Vishwa Bharati was established by Rabindranath Tagore? Option A is correct, 1918. Now question number 73. Under which Prime Minister 73rd and 74th Constitutional Amendment Act was passed? Option D is correct here, PV Narasimha Rao. Question number 74. Match list 1 with list 2. Option B is correct here. African Union is established in 2002. Latin America Integration Association established in 1980. East Asia Summit is in 2005. And Eurasian Economic Community is in 2000. Question number 75. Consider the following in the correct sequence and choose the correct option from the code given below. Option D is correct here. Antonio Smith wrote the book The Ethnic Origin of the Nation. Ernest Gellner emphasized his idea of nationalism in his book Nation and Nationalism. McCallum X argued for the rediscovery of African as a spiritual and cultural homeland, and Eric Hobson highlighted the idea of invented traditions. Now, question number 76. Match list 1 with list 2 and choose the correct option from the code given below. Option C is correct here. Dr. Zakir Hussain, 13 May 1967 to 3 May 1969. Fakiruddin Ali Ahmad is from 24 August 1974 to 11 February 1977. Neelam Sanjeeva Reddy from 25 July 1977 to 25 July 1982, and R. Venkatraman from 25 July 1987 to 25 July 1992. Question number 77. Who coined the term deep ecology? Option A is correct, Aaron Nace. Question number 78. Identify the correct statement. Option C is correct, A, B, C, and D. That Chinese Communist Party is an example of a cadre-based party. Otto Kitchener argued for a category of catch-all party. Otto Kitchener put the US Republican and Democratic parties in the category of catch-all parties, and Anthony Downs portrayed politicians as power-seeking creatures who are willing to adopt whatever policies are likely to bring them in electoral processes. Question number 79. In which year Jyotiba Phule started a girls' school at Pune? Option B is correct, 1851. Question number 80. Which chief minister was removed first time in the India by the use or misuse of Article 356? Option B is correct, EMS Namboodiripad. Question number 81. Which Indian president inaugurated newly restored the Somnath temple? Option A is correct, Rajendra Prasad. Question number 82. In which year President Dalai Lama came to India? Option A is correct, 1959. Question number 84. In which year Burma was bifurcated from the British India? Option D is correct, 1937. Question number 84. Find out the correct statement from the code given below. Choose the correct option. Option C is correct here, A, D, and E. That Niti Aayog like planning commission was also created by an executive resolution of the government of India. The first administrative reform commission of India recommended the setting up of the Lokpal and Lokyukta, and the first ARC of India was headed by Morarji Desai. Question number 85. Which American president had laid down 14 points as the basis for the peace after World War I? Option D is correct, Woodrow Wilson. Question number 86 is drop. Question number 87. Who wrote the book Democracy, Bureaucracy and Hypocrisy? Option B is correct, D. White Waldo. Question number 88. Arrange the following languages confirmed with the classical language status by the Government of India in the chronological order. Option C is correct here. First is Tamil, then Sanskrit, then Kannada, then Malayalam, and then is Odia. Now question number 89. Arrange the UN Secretary General as per their tenure in the chronological order from the code given below. Option C is correct here. First is the Utant, then Kurt Waldheim, then Boutros Ghali, then Kofi Annan, and the last is Ban Ki-moon. Now question number 90. Frederick's development ideal model to analyze the administrative system of different countries. Choose the correct option from the code given below. Option C is correct here. A, C and E only. That is fused, prismatic and bifurcated model. Now question number 91. Match list 1 with list 2 and choose the correct option from the code given below. Option A is correct here. George Soros write about open society. Paul Krugman write about the conscience of a liberal. Herman Daly write about for the common of the good, and Emil Wallerstein write about the decline of American power. Now question number 92. Which one of the following US presidents survived the American Congress impeachment proceedings by a single vote in 1868? Option A is correct, Andrew Johnson. Question number 93. Which American president got Nobel Prize for Peace for his efforts of mediation between Japan and Russia? Option D is correct, Theodore Roosevelt. Question number 94. Arrange the following Commission of India as per their year of formation in the chronological order from the code given below. Option A is correct here. First is the National Commission for Women, then National Commission for Minorities, then National Commission for Scheduled Caste, then Central Information Commission, and last is the National Commission for Protection of the Child right now. Question number 95. In which year Planning Commission was converted into Niti Aayog? Option B is correct here, 2015. Now question number 96. All Jammu Kashmir Muslim Conference was formed in. Option A is correct, 1932. Question number 97. Mook Nayak newspaper was published by. Option B is correct, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Question number 98. Arrange the acts related to the implementation of the directive principle of state policy in the chronological order. Option D is correct here. First is the Trade Union Act, then the Minimum Wages Act, then the Mines Act, then the Bounded Labor System Abolition Act, and the last is the Child Labor Prohibition and Regulation Act. Now question number 99. Who was the president of the Parliament of the World's Religion at Chicago, in which Swami Vivekananda delivered his famous address? Option C is correct, John Henry Barrows. Question number 100. Who proposed the Chowkhamba model of decentralization? Option A is correct, Ram Manohar Lohia. Question number 101. Arrange the following events in the chronological order. Option D is correct here. First is the Champaran movement, then peasants movement in Kheda, Gujarat, and workers movement in Ahmedabad, then non-cooperation movement, then Purna Swaraj accepted as Congress goal at the Lahore Congress, and the last is civil disobedience movement. Now question number 102. Who was the first chief minister of Tamil Nadu? Option C is correct here, C.N. Annadurai. Question number 103. Arrange the following cases related to the Constitution of India in the chronological order. Option D is correct here. First is the A.K. Gopalan case, then Golaknath case, then the Keshwanand Bharti case, then Mindrava Mills case, and the last is the Indira Savinay case. Question number 104. Choose the correct statement from the code given below. Option C is correct, A, B and D. That UN declared 1975 as the International Women's Year. B N Rao committee prepared the first draft of the Hindu Code Bill, and Sundarlal Bhogana became popular in the Chipko agitation. Question number 105. Read carefully the following statement regarding the fundamental duties in the Indian Constitution and choose the incorrect. Option B is correct here. Fundamental duties were inserted by the 44th Constitutional Amendment Act. Parliament cannot amend the fundamental duties. Fundamental duties can be enforced by the writ, and promotion of international peace and security is in one of the important fundamental duties. Question number 106. In Indian The Speaker of the Lok Sabha appointed the Patskar Committee in 1954 to examine the issue of, option C is correct here, delegated legislation. Question number 107, match list 1 with list 2 and choose the correct option from the code given below. Option B is correct here. NAFTA is in 1993. Asia Pacific Economic Cooperation is in 1989. Mercosur is in 1991 and the Free Trade Area of Americas is in 1994. Question number 108. Gabriel Almond classified the pressure groups into different categories. Find the correct ones. Choose the correct option from the code given below. Option D is correct. Associational groups, non-associational group, institutional group and anomic groups. Question number 109. Which Naga queen responded to the call of Mahatma Gandhi and raised the banner of revolt against the British rule? Option B is correct here, Rani Gaideliu. Question number 110. In which year Swami Vivekanand founded the periodical Brahmayadin to teach the Vedanta? Option A is correct here, 1895. Question number 111. Match list 1 with list 2. Option A is correct here. Andhra Pradesh tenure of president rule is from 18 January 73 to 10 December 1973. Assam is from 30 June 1981 to 13 January 1982. Himachal Pradesh is from 15 December 1992 to 3 December 1993. And Uttarakhand is from 8 March 2016 to 6 May 2016. Question number 112. Choose the correct statement regarding the comparative politics from the code given below. Option D is correct here. A, C and D. In traditional approach, emphasis is on value-laden study of politics. David Easton is one of the leading theorists of behavioralism, and David Easton is input-output analysis has three main variables in the form of demand, support and feedback. Question number 113. Who was the 15th Finance Commission of India? Option A is correct, N.K. Singh. Question number 114. Choose the correct statement regarding the Constitution of India. Option B is correct here, B, C and D, that the Attorney General is appointed by the President, the Chairman of UPSC is appointed by the President, and the Judges of the Supreme Court are appointed by the President. Question number 115. Match list 1 with list 2 and choose the correct option from the code. Option B is correct here. Jharkhand created in the year 2000. Telangana is in 2014. Goa is in 1987 and Sikkim is in 1975. Question number 116. Which one of the following organization won the Nobel Peace Prize in 2017? Option A is correct. The International Campaign to Abolish the Nuclear Weapon. Question number 117. Consider the Article 15 of the Constitution of India. The state shall not discriminate against any citizen on the ground of. Option D is correct. All of the above: religion, race, caste, sex, place of birth. Question number 118. Arrange the following Speaker of the Lok Sabha as per their tenure in the chronological order. Option B is correct here. First is Ganesh Vasudev Mavlankar, then Neelam Sanjeeva Reddy, then P.S. Sagma, then Mrs. Meera Kumar, and last is Om Birla. Question number 119. Match list 1 with list 2. Option B is correct. Number of women elected in Lok Sabha: 22 women is in 1971, then 28 women in 1980, then again 28 women in 1989, and then 59 women in 2009. Question number 120. Match list 1 with list 2 and choose the correct option from the code given below. Option C is correct here. House of Representative is in USA. National Assembly is in Pakistan. House of Commons is in United Kingdom, and Knesset is in Israel. Question number 121. Choose the correct statement regarding political ideas. Option B is correct. John Locke championed the cause of constitutional government. Jeremy Bentham developed his idea of utilitarianism, and J.S. Mill argued for the broadening of popular participation with the inclusion of the women. Question number 122. Arrange the following Prime Minister of India in the chronological order as per their tenure. Option B is correct here. First is Morarji Desai, then Chaudhry Charan Singh, then VP Singh, then Chandrasekhar, and then is H.D. Dev Gowda. Question number 123. Identify the correct statement from the code given below. Option D is correct here. A, B and D, that 8th SARC summit held at New Delhi in 1995. 1989 was designated as the SARC year of combating drugs abuse and drug trafficking. The agreement on the SAARC Preferential Trading Agreement was signed on 11 April 1993. Question number 124. Who proposed the idea of Pitrabhu, fatherland, and Punyabhu, holy land, in the classical text on the ideology of Hindutva? Option C is correct here. Vinayak Damodar Savarkar. Question number 125. Pakistan exploded its first nuclear bomb at. Option B is correct. Chagai. Question number 126. Which article of the Indian Constitution make the special provision for the administration of certain areas called the scheduled areas? Option B is correct. Article 244(1). Question number 127. Identify the correct statement regarding the administrative behavior. Option C is correct here. A, B, D, E. Fredericks advocated the Sala model of administration. Abraham Maslow advanced the idea of hierarchy of needs. Max Weber gave the idea of legal rational authority. And Luther, Kulik, and Urwik are associated with the concept of the post-corp. Question number 128. Choose the incorrect answer related to the Indian Constitution. Option C is correct here. B, C, D and E. B. Provision related to administrative tribunal are mentioned in Article 342A. Provisions related to interstate council are mentioned in Article 244. Provision related to facilitate for instruction in mother tongue at primary stage is not mentioned in the Indian Constitution, and provisions related to the languages are mentioned in Article 368. Question number 129. Match list 1 with list 2. Option C is correct here. Government by committee is given by K.C. Ware. Parliament in India, Maurice Jones. How Britain is governed by Ramsay Muir. And Mussolini's Italy is by Herman Feiner. Question number 130. Who conceived the notion of linking pin model? Option C is correct. Renan Likert. Question number 131. Identify the correct statement regarding Abraham Maslow's need of hierarchy and choose the correct option. Option D is correct here. A, B, C and D, that esteem needs, self-actualization, belonging needs and safety needs. Question number 132. Who stated there is nothing dash absolute in management affairs? Seldom do we have to apply the same principle twice as in identical conditions. Allowances must be made for different changing circumstances. Option D is correct here. Henry Fayol said the following statement. Question number 133. Arrange the following events related to the United Nations in the chronological order and choose the correct option from the code given below. Option C is correct here. UN High Commissioner for Refugee established. Then first UN peacekeeping force sent to the Suez Canal. Then US peacekeepers sent to Cyprus. Then UN Peacekeeping Commission was established and the General Assembly adopts the Sustainable Development Goals. Question number 134. Match list 1 with list 2. Option B is correct here. Abul Hassan is January 16, 1987 to October 15, 1989. Yadav Kant Silwal is from January 1, 1994 to December 31, 1995. Naeem U. Hussain is from January 1, 1996 to December 31, 1998, and Kant Sharma from March 1, 2008 to February 28, 2011. Question number 135. Arrange the following high courts with their establishment year in the chronological order. Option D is correct here. First is Rajasthan, then Madhya Pradesh, then Gujarat, then Sikkim, and the last is Manipur. Question number 136. The state shall take step to organize village panchayats and endow them with the high powers and authority as may be necessary to enable them to function as unit of self-government. Which article of Indian Constitution mention this? Option A is correct. Article 40. Question number 137. Who became the first democratically elected woman prime minister in the Islamic world? Option D is correct here. Benazir Bhutto. Question number 138. Who was the Speaker of the Lok Sabha during the Janata Party regime? Option B is correct. K.D. Hegde. Question number 139. After Jawaharlal Nehru, which one of the following leader became the Prime Minister of India third time in a row after completing 2 full tenures? Option C is correct. Narendra Modi. Question number 140. Which politician has become the Chief Minister of 2 states? Option A is correct. N.D. Tiwari. From question number 141 to 150 is the passage. Question number 141. Who facilitated the Tibetan delegation to proceed through the India to Peking to formally accept to be an autonomous part of China? Option D is correct here. British India. Question number 142. When was the 17-point agreement as signed? Option B is correct. 1951. Question number 143. In which year Panchshil agreement was signed? Option D is correct. 1954. Question number 144. According to the passage, during which period Tibet enjoyed de facto independent status? Option B is correct, 1913 to 1951. Question number 145. According to the passage, which one of the following helped China to consolidate its hold onto the Tibet? Option C is correct, both British India and independent India. Question number 146. In which year 64th Constitution Amendment Bill introduced in the Parliament of India? Option B is correct here, 1989. Question number 147. Who brought out the report Revitalization of the PRIs for the Democracy and Development? Option B is correct here, L.M. Singhvi. Question number 148. According to the paragraph 73rd Constitutional Amendment Act introduced which kind of rural structure at the intermediate level? Option B is correct here, Panchayat Samiti. Question number 149. According to the passage, which one of the following constitutional act constitutionalized local self-government in India? Option B is correct, 73rd Constitutional Amendment Act. Question number 150. Last question of this paper. Ripon resolution was accepted in, option B is correct, 1882.